Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put videos side by side in CapCut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut, click on import, and you need to import two videos. So I'm going to select these two videos, first one, and this is the second one. And then you need to select both videos and paste that here into the timeline. And then you need to select a clip and paste that on the top and make this duration like this. Okay, so once you done that, let me change the aspect ratio to 9:16 so that this ratio is best for YouTube. Okay, so once you done that, you simply need to make this video smaller like this, put here, and the second video like this, and put it on the right side. So you can adjust the videos size according to, so here you can see that. And now let me show you. So now you can see that both videos are playing at the same time. So this is the process how you can put videos side by side in CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.